Hey, what's up, guys? Because of my back injury, I'm on my way now to see Destiny the chiropractor, and I've got my mini. Say hello.
Hello.
Where are we going to?
Looking to you.
No, we're going to the chiropractor.
Yeah.
We're going to where?
Chiropractor.
What? Say it again. Okay. Yeah, we are going to go to see Destiny and let her.
times, just to get it alive. It's like going to the gym. It's like it's been deconditioned for so long, and you need to kind of encourage it to recondition itself. So it might just be that you need a few sessions to get it kind of straighter and get it more comfortable, because now it's inflamed, because this is why it hurts. If you don't move, it's sort of the fluid is allowed to build up, so it inflames it and then it puts pressure, and then you start to move and that hurts better because the inflammation is getting flushed around. So, and then you stop and you're like, oh, that's it. So we need to get rid of that really, and that will go away. That will go away within the next week or so, and then but after that we need to prevent it. So I'm happy to do quite a few, if, you know, to make it so that it's right, and like I'm happy to swap with PT later on when you feel better.
Yes.
And when I feel brave.